The software magic. What is computational photography? Going beyond traditional optics. Computational photography is the process that uses digital computation and advanced algorithms, rather than purely optical processes, to create, enhance, and optimize a photograph. It is the software brain that takes raw data from the camera sensor and transforms it into the polished image you see in your gallery. Without it, the small lenses and sensors in smartphones could never compete with large, professional cameras. The core principle, Epsilon photography. The fundamental concept behind many computational features is multi-frame processing, sometimes called Epsilon photography. Instead of taking one single shot, the phone quickly captures a burst of multiple images, often 5 to 15 frames, with subtle, minute variations in parameters like exposure, focus, or time. The phone's powerful system on a chip, SoC, then aligns, analyzes, and merges these frames into a single final image. The role of machine learning. Modern computational features are increasingly powered by machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI. The phone's processor contains specialized cores, the NPU, that run complex neural networks, allowing the camera to identify objects, like a person, a dog, or a sunset, and apply specific, intelligent adjustments to different parts of the scene for optimal results. Key features driven by computation. Computational photography is responsible for some of the most popular and impressive features on modern smartphones. Night mode, beating the darkness. Night mode is perhaps the best example of this technology. When you press the shutter in low light, the phone captures a sequence of short exposure frames. The software then stacks these images, using the data from each one to reduce digital noise, graininess, and selectively brighten shadows while retaining detail in highlights. This process effectively simulates a long exposure shot, but done handheld and without blur. Portrait mode, the bokeh effect. The classic portrait mode creates the beautiful, professional-looking bokeh, background blur, typically achieved only with large, fast lenses. Since smartphone lenses have small apertures, the software must simulate this effect. It does so by using depth sensors or eye to create a depth map, precisely isolating the subject from the background, and then intelligently applying a realistic blur filter only to the areas behind the subject. HDR, taming extreme contrast. High dynamic range, HDR, technology is essential for balancing scenes with extreme contrast, like a bright sky and a dark foreground. The camera quickly takes 3 or more shots, one underexposed, for the highlights, one overexposed, for the shadows, and one normal. The computational engine then seamlessly merges the best parts of all 3 exposures, resulting in a single photo that preserves detail in both the brightest and darkest areas. Beyond the shot, stabilization and zoom. Computational photography extends beyond just capturing still images. Features like electronic image stabilization, EIS, use algorithms to analyze video frames and intelligently shift the picture to correct for camera shake, providing smooth video footage. Even advanced super-resolution zoom on flagship phones uses computational techniques to analyze multiple zoomed frames, sharpen edges, and fill in missing detail when you zoom beyond the optical limits of the lens. This software magic is why a phone camera's ability often feels greater than its hardware suggests.